Alright, YouTube subscribers, my name is Rayshawn, known as Rayniz on Facebook, also known as Mr. Ceiling Fan Man 1999 on YouTube. Now, what's going on is that I'm showing you guys my god sister's 52-inch oil rub bronze Hampton Bay Glendale ceiling fan installed in the dining room and stuff. Now, what's going on is that I pulled on the pull chain and stuff, and the ceiling fan doesn't work at all and stuff. It might be a capacitor issue or it might be a pull chain issue, but I'm gonna show you guys what I mean by that. So I pulled the chain, and I'm pushing on the blades and stuff. And it does have a hum to it. So I'm thinking it's the capacitor and stuff. But I gotta check the capacitor. I gotta remove the light kit just to make sure that it's a capacitor blown up and stuff. Because otherwise those are known for having capacitor issues. Like if a ceiling fan doesn't work at all, or if a ceiling fan is barely spinning. So I'm gonna check it out next time when I come back over here. But other than that, I'm about to mess with the reverse switch. Yeah, I reversed it. And it's still not even working. So, other than that, that's all I'm going to show you guys for right now. But the pull chain for the light, it actually works though. So I'm going to demonstrate the light. So other than that, this is Mr. Ceiling Fan Man 1999 signing out this video. And I'm out.